Right there. Sitting at 195, 96, 97, 98, 99. We're getting there. Man, look at that. Hopefully you can see it. Man, just tears apart. I'm gonna add one right there. Yeah, good size. Which feels pretty good because lately here in Texas, the nights have been chill. So it's cooled down a bit here during nighttime, so it was good sitting next to this right here. This is the life. This gas grill has been awesome. Now, there it is. The small little one. So I'm just gonna hook it like that. In order to get it right over the middle, because that's where my heat source is at right now, because that's where I put my starter at to light up the charcoal. So I got that going right now. Let me see if I could bring you over here. Yeah, there you go. Now you see me. So that's what I got going right now. It's New Year's Eve, so last day of the year. When you see this, it'll be 2024, so Happy New Year's. Hopefully you had a great Christmas as well. But yeah, I'm ready to kick off the new year, so let's get to cooking.